Ever wondered why the wood iris graces so many gardens with its captivating presence? This charming, resilient plant, often called the fortress of the garden, is more than just a pretty face. Yes, the wood iris, with its striking petals and enchanting fragrance, is a hidden treasure offering a multitude of benefits. Firstly, the wood iris is a symbol of resilience and adaptability. It thrives in various conditions, from the full sun to partial shade, and from moist to dry soil. This hardy nature means it can weather most storms, providing a splash of color and life to your garden throughout the year. Did you know that the wood iris is not just a garden beauty but also a medicinal marvel? The root of the iris plant, also known as orris root, is rich in starch, mucilage, and a uniquely aromatic essential oil that gives the plant its signature violet aroma. This root has been used for medicinal purposes since ancient times. One of the key benefits of iris is its expectorant and antitussive properties. This is why you'll find it starring in several bronchial medicines, known to provide relief for respiratory issues. In addition, iris is a diuretic, aiding in increased urine production and potentially helping to flush out toxins from the body. This isn't all. Orris root is known to possess antibacterial, antimicrobial, and germicidal properties. This makes it a potent solution for various skin problems, helping to keep your skin fresh, glowing, spotless, and smooth. The iris can be consumed in various forms, such as a decoction with 5 to 20 grams of dry rhizome powder per liter of water. You boil it for 10 minutes, then drink 2 or 3 cups a day. It can also be used in poultices. Remember, while the wood iris offers these remarkable benefits, it's always crucial to consult a healthcare professional before consuming any medicinal herb. Now let's move on to another amazing attribute of the wood iris, its low-maintenance nature. Secondly, the wood iris is a low-maintenance plant. It requires minimal upkeep, making it the perfect choice for both seasoned gardeners and green-thumbed novices. The wood iris is a forgiving plant, allowing you to learn as you grow without the fear of making fatal mistakes. Thirdly, they are a haven for wildlife. Their vibrant flowers attract a variety of pollinators, including bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds, ensuring a lively and bustling garden. Moreover, their dense growth provides shelter for small creatures, contributing to the biodiversity of your garden. Moreover, the wood iris is an excellent soil stabilizer. Its root system helps prevent soil erosion, particularly in sloping gardens, maintaining the integrity and health of your garden soil. Lastly, the wood iris is a perennial plant, meaning it regrows year after year. Once planted, you can enjoy its beauty for many years to come, making it a long-term, cost-effective addition to your garden. In summary, the wood iris is a true garden gem. Its resilience and adaptability make it suitable for various conditions. Its low-maintenance nature makes it a joy to grow. It supports wildlife and biodiversity, contributes to soil stability, and provides a long-term, cost-effective solution for garden beauty. So the next time you're planning your garden, remember the wood iris, the fortress of the garden that's more than just a pretty face.